I don't know if it's started, but hi.
I think it works.
It's me, Pink Lightning, and what do you want me to call
No,
you?
Zan. No, doo-doo.
What do you want me to call you?
Bob. Bobby?
Can I call you Green Lightning?
No, call me Bobby.
I want to call you Green Lightning.
Just call me Bobby.
And we got Blue Lightning in the corner in my house.
Chilling. He's just vibing.
He's not going to be playing with us today, but we are playing. I'm storming. I don't feel like calling you.
Chicken nuggets.
I don't feel like calling you Bobby. So
Chicken nuggets.
do I have to call you Bobby?
Yeah, you're gonna have to. Yeah, don't show up. Okay. Ben.
He said for me to tell you he was sick.
Hey. Don't show him.
What did he call me?
Green Lightning. Accidentally. I meant to call you Pink Lightning, but look at my
Then
screen.
to call me
Hey,
Pink Lightning.
Peel.
What?
Look at my screen. Don't show him.
I won't.
Chris.
I'm just gonna be eating.
Oh. Was your screen faced towards this?
No.
Oh, good.
This is a totally normal bookshelf, right?
It's just our bookshelf. It's just empty because that's a selection feature.
We just moved.
Yeah.
We got all our
Got
stuff.
our books in here.
Yep, we got a lot of
And I'm
books.
still eating chicken nuggets.
This was my old
I
room.
finished all of them. Gosh darn it.
Go get you. We have more food in the kitchen, you idiot.
Wait, what?
I called you an idiot.
What about my real name?
I will kick you in the face.
Oh,
Wait.
perhaps.
After we record, I'm gonna kick you in the face.
Oh no. Do you want chicken nuggets?
Yes, give me the whole thing. Give me the whole thing. Give me the.
Eat them. There's one right there left. Stop with that noise. Damn, I heard. Let's get chicken nuggets and one burger.
Get away
Get
from.
one, same price, double burger.
Get away from my nuggets. From my nuggets. Get away. If you touch my stuff again, I'm gonna kick you. Fine, let me go get your coffee. I think you
I
too.
need to get my coffee.
I'm getting you coffee
Oh, you
here.
can get your tea.
Here's your coffee.
Oh, you know, you can just press that down over here.
Okay.
You can get your tea. No, you can get your tea.
Thanks.
2 tea for you, coffee for me. That's how I get my day rolling. Coffee.
What am I supposed to be doing? I forgot.
Working, I think.
Oh God, where do we work?
I work at home
I have to work at 2 o'clock
as
in the.
a business person.
I have to work at 2 o'clock in the morning.
It's
I don't want to look at
12:35 p.m.
9:40.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow, I already.
The ones on
One
the
last cup of coffee. Road. One last cup of coffee. Cup of Joe.
Once again, this is a totally normal bookshelf.
A cup of Joe or coffee.
I'm totally not gonna expose Green Lightning at the end of the video.
No.
You
Yeah,
bet.
there's actually no secret. It's just one palette.
Okay, I want to give you a hint on where we live.
Why?
This is what it looks like.
Oh yeah, I need to be planted.
And if you go over here, that's just.
Yeah, I know I'm stinky. I just didn't,
This is a bed.
For the video, so
This is this is not enough. This is nothing.
it's just my little farm.
That's supposed to be in the.
That's a storage room. Things that everyone needs to enter, like
Green
like,
Lightning.
skateboards and whatnot.
Green Lightning. Are they supposed to know about that?
I don't just say it's like a shed.
Did you forget I'm
it actually is a
recording?
shed.
Did you forget I'm recording?
No, really, it's just a shed.
Yeah.
The door's on the other side, but don't. Yeah, there also is a ladder back there.
We have some weird.
On top of it. I don't know why.
We have weird stuff. So we don't want to
You
show
want
you.
to show them your house that doesn't have a microwave.
Shut up! They already know about that video.
No, they don't.
Yes,
Show them about the microwave fiasco.
I'm doing later.
Oh, yeah. I was complaining about her not having a microwave. It made me furious. So
Green
I wanted
lightning.
to kick her shins.
Green lightning. I will kick
I'm still
you.
taller than you.
I will
Even though you're wearing a beanie.
I am your little
Sad.
sister.
You being taller than you, while you're wearing a beanie. Wow.
I'm tall. I'm tall.
You know, I can grow cactuses.
Hi, I'm Green Lightning, and I'm taller than my sister.
That's not how I talk.
Yes, it
My
is.
voice, but I'm just doing this so nobody knows my voice.
They already know my
Time to
voice.
grow some cactuses.
Hold on.
I don't know how they grow. Oh,
Can you give me Kelowna?
pine tree. Calendar.
Give me Kelowna.
Are you wanting to grow some stuff?
Yes.
I can grow that for you.
Pineapple.
Pineapples. I don't think we can grow pineapple.
Pineapple.
There's-
Even commas.
I'm growing mini pine trees.
Green Lightning.
No!
Green Lightning, come.
No, I'm growing pine trees.
Do you want to shove him in
I'm
my?
growing pine trees.
You don't want to even. Green Lightning with someone coming, get in my house. You know as well.
Oh no.
Close the door.
No. Wait,
Hi?
you go for it quicker. Oh wait, you did. Oh.
Hi. What do you want?
Why aren't you typing hi?
Huh?
Wait, did you actually? Oh, you did. What did they say? What did I say? What did they say,
Sorry?
Bear? Or what did they say, Pee-Pee? What are they typing? I can't see.
They said, "Can I build your house?"
I need you to rotate me. Oh, I'm growing pine trees back here. There's no reason to worry about that, chat.
No.
Who's chat, actually? There's no reason to worry about that. I'm not the Walter White of Roblox and Islands. I'm not the Walter White of Roblox and Islands.
If you expose my name, you're allowed to expose my name when we get to 2K, and I will expose your name at 2K too.
About 10K. How about that? What does this person say? I can't say it because for console.
They said, "Can I build your house?"
Yeah.
Shake your head, yeah. Well, I know.
Tell him he said
He
no.
actually didn't. That guy is didn't.
Is his name Candyman or Candy for me?
And he's false.
Yeah, that's his name.
On. Oh crap! This is just for aesthetic.
Hey, Popo,
Correct.
you're an idiot. Never come back to Ethan's house.
Xander, you can't say her
Why
name.
did you just say his name?
Call him Green Lightning. Call me
Kermit.
Pink
I
Lightning.
need to go pee.
Okay, back to Big Lightning.
Okay, Blue Lightning. Sorry about that. I had to give my little brother a
I
talk.
gotta pee. Oh no, I didn't say pee.
Yep, and Green Lightning is my other brother. I have way too many brothers. I'm the only girl in my family.
Yeah, well, no, not really.
Henry,
Never
a
mind.
hero
Really?
family.
Get out.
We are a hero family, so yeah, you better watch that. Just like
I'm just here.
we did fine.
Blue Lightning.
Time to
Blue
pay.
Lightning. We're not superheroes.
Yes, we are.
just
We
a
did
name.
fine.
It's just a name.
That's the only name we can think of.
Yeah, it's a name I thought of.
Blue Lightning.
That,
Speak in a different what?
B, do you want lasagna?
Magana, can you say it normally?
Lasagna.
I guess. How long will it take to make?
I don't know.
Where are my nuggets again? Where are
I
they?
think you ate them all.
Are you calling me fat?
No, I think you ate half of them. I
Good.
had half, you had half.
What the?
Lasagna!
What happened? What happened to the...
What? Oh, who's talking?
We do not want to shove in the back of our house to
Why?
the entryway, to the garage. But
And
it's
Blue
totally
Lightning is fast.
Salt!
Blue Lightning, can you shut up?
Time to fry some.
Green Lightning,
What?
can you tell Blue Lightning to shut
Shut
up?
up. I'm cooking.
All of our names have a color and lightning.
Bill, do you like lasagna?
Um,
Like lasagna?
A teeny tiny bit. I don't like
Oh, so you don't like lasagna?
I do.
Time to murder.
I like it with
Pink
no.
lightning.
I like it.
Us all over the house.
I'm gonna burn my feet in
Why?
oil.
That's
I'm burning my feet
not how
in.
you commit die.
Yes.
That's not how you commit die.
Green Lightning, do you know where a knife is?
What the?
Where the fuck did he put it? I want it. I want to eat.
I'm
Where?
gonna sleep on the couch.
You have a bed. You
No, I have a couch.
take my bed.
Not a couch.
You know where my bed
I have a
is.
couch. I have a couch.
Quit!
I have
Quit! 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 Quit!
Why are you standing in front of my leg?
I said, shut up. You called me fat
I
a
don't have
couple.
any fun.
You
Fun leader.
You called me fat a couple minutes ago.
No, I just call you chunky.
Oh!
Dizzy.
Same
My
thing
head
as.
goes spinning.
Pink lightning.
My head goes
What?
spinning.
Look.
Go, Shane. Blue Lightning, go do something else. If you're not gonna play, do something else.
Are you showing a miss?
Yes.
Are you trying to grab my heart?
No. I was in my room. I was in my room.
Alright, time to grab the shotgun.
Oh my God! Where did he go? Where he go? He's not in the laundry room. It's a good talk. Goodbye.
Pink lightning.
Can't
Pink
stop me.
lightning.
Wait, can you turn up the volume? I can't hear.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, I can.
Pink lightning.
What?
No, I don't ask.
You can't.
Don't ask where
Go
I got
get-
this.
go
Pulled
get
it
your-
out of my butt.
And you guys
I pulled this guitar out of my butt.
Are you sure? I had a guitar in my room. Did you take it?
Oh.
Are we supposed to be leaving the house?
Yeah. I just locked you. What? How did you face for the door?
I'm magical. My name is.
I'm just gonna walk away.
We are magic. We are pink. We are lightnings. We have a lightning family.
No. Stay away from me, you weirdo.
That's over my house.
Wait, what?
Green lightning. My house is over there.
This?
Bavarian house over there.
Oh,
Pink lightning.
this great thing.
Shut up.
At your house, really? Wow. How are you faster than me?
Don't you
The
dare!
house with no microwave. You should add a microwave.
I told you to shut up. Do you want to sell from your room first?
Well, I think this is my room now. I can't open it.
Stay still. Get away from the door. Invite the family. Except. Do you not get it? I'll just change permission. Roommate.
Oh, this is my room.
Here's his room.
I can't.
Beth, Dolph,
Why?
I fast, so yeah.
Why is there
Blue
no
lightning
floor?
door. I forgot.
Shut up, Pink lightning.
He told. Blue lightning told me to shut
Really, a
up.
picture of Flamingo.
Yeah.
Nice. And my books.
Yep.
My clothes.
Blue lightning told me to shut up.
Oh, where's the drawer? Why did you get this? You got this. This is this is a picture of a boat. It's right here. And you got no microwave. Two stars, no microwave.
Green lightning, quit being a Karen.
I just need my microwave to cook my TV dinner.
You can go to your house and make it.
No, it's actually pretty far.
No, it's
No,
not.
right. It's 10 miles away.
I'm locking you in your own room.
I need my books. I need my book.
Strange permission. Guest.
No. Oh no.
I'm walk for guest.
Oh crap.
Enjoy the
Steal
house.
all your food.
I don't care.
Steal all your food. Oh. Steal all your food.
Oh, and I'm giving you a permission to run. Just kidding, you can come out.
I got me some hot cocoa. You need to heat up hot cocoa.
I don't care.
You are weird.
You can go.
Why do you drink cold hot cocoa?
It tastes
How does it
good.
taste good? Hot cocoa's good hot.
Green lightning, I
That's the
swear.
name.
Green lightning? I
Green
don't care.
What unusual job?
Hey, Green
Just
Lightning.
walk all the way there. 'Cause we
Green
have no
Lightning.
Green lightning, get your butt over here.
I'm faster than you.
Green Lightning. Throw your freaking face up. I not bubble your
Alright,
pants.
shut up, Blue.
Blue lightning told us to shut up.
Why?
I asked him
Oh my
this.
god.
Blue lightning, you said you were sick.
What? Why?
Green lightning, blue lightning said he was sick, but he's here.
How am I dodging you?
Psych.
How?
Then go get your phone.
I thought it was signals from my hand broke.
Oh, how are you faster than me? Oh crap. Boing, 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 boing. Oh wait, that reduces my speed. Alright, so uh-oh.
Your game's hacked because I'm in front of you.
Oh, what are you doing? Bia, what are you doing? Ah!
Blue lightning, what are you
Crap.
doing?
I got these. Sonny. The builder, yes, we dang.
Can't take it anymore. I want to work.
Blue lightning, you know what to do.
I'm just starting on my desk.
Green lightning, I meant. Bob the Builder can't rebuild it. Bob the Builder, yes.
By now.
Yeah. Radio, I already put my voice in videos a lot, so.
Do you want to stop the video?
No. Oh, yeah, yeah.